The car costs $4 million.
This is how the most epic deliveries start in boxes.
Boxed up. It's
in a
one of
secret
kind.
warehouse.
That's right. They got a whole team just to unscrew the box. Yeah, this car has a feature I've never seen on the track car.
3, 2, 1.
Woohoo!
Shoes off. Watch. There's one step on the side of the car. Bright orange interior, so I had to take my shoes off. Here we go. All right, good. It's so light, it's unbelievable, this canopy. All right, let's roll her off. This wraparound is insane. 180 wraparound view. Wow. All right, brake. All right, Serge, can you help open? There's a little toggle down there. Yes, nice. Here we go. All right. So this, guys, is the McLaren Solus GT. And you might recognize this from a game, right, Serge?
Yeah, this is super cool. I mean, this is based on the 2017 concept for Gran Turismo Sport, and they actually made the real thing. And yeah, Alex is inside right now. I'm really jealous. That is super sick.
So yeah, so you could literally drive this car exactly how it looks in the Gran Turismo game.
So only 25 units will ever be made, and this is the first customer delivery.
Yep.
It's actually chassis number 13 of 25.
That is the customer's name right there. Now there are a few more tweaks to be done to this car before it goes to the customer. You saw Serge opening the canopy from down here with this little toggle. This is actually going to be the door open button right here.
Yeah.
If you can show it, Serge, is it here somewhere?
Yeah, it's around there.
No, it's here.
Oh, that's the door opening. Okay. Yeah.
This is the button here.
Anyways, yeah, that's
You'd be
the button.
searching for the button forever if you thought it was here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah, it's 99% there.
So as you can see, one seat, one person. This is an F1 like inspired cockpit, right? So you're in the middle, you've got the F1 wheel here, right? And then as you can see, this is right in front of your vision, just like in an F1 car, but it doesn't really matter because not often do you look down just the center of the car all the time. You've actually got a 180-degree view all around you when you're inside, which is quite cool. So we're just closing it now so you can have a look. So this is your view from the interior. Look at this, the whole way around. Isn't that just crazy? Now there are a few creature comforts, even though this is a track-only car. Boom. We love to see this on the road, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, but it's track only. However, it does have air conditioning, so that's a good thing. And the windscreen is heated. So on rainy days at the track, it won't fog up. So there are your two creature comforts. Plus, I want to show you this. They've actually worked a step into the body of the car. This is the only place you can step.
Yeah.
Okay.
And with your sacks, it's pretty slippery. I mean,
Yeah,
that's how
it
you
is
tear
actually.
an ACL. Okay, yeah, you're good.
Look, delicate. Ha, there you go.
Yeah.
So if you come and look at the seat, each buyer will get a seat molded specially to their body. Now, what's interesting is if you have a partner, right?
Yeah.
Say you and I buy this car together, right?
Yeah.
This can be my seat, and then you can get a specially molded seat as well.
Yeah.
So when you want to drive it, we just take my seat out and
Very,
your seat
yeah,
back
you just
in.
need a team of technicians to just come in and take the seat out. Very easy, yeah.
So besides the seat, the
Yeah.
moldable seat, you get...
You also get a helmet, you get a suit, and you also get like a kind of head and neck brace, just like a pilot would. So yeah, it's very customizable, very nice. It's like very boutique, very just for yourself. So I think that's pretty cool.
You would expect that kind of thing like for $4 million
Yeah.
though, wouldn't you? If you're buying this.
Yeah.
25 only in the world. This
Yeah.
is super exclusive. This weighs 1,000 kilos, but it has 1,200 kilos of downforce, which means You can drive the car upside down.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
No one's yet done that.
Yeah.
To any of these cars. I'm like, yeah, you could drive this car upside down, this car upside down. Like there are a few out right now that you could technically drive upside down. We haven't seen it done yet.
It's scientifically possible. We
Let's
just need to be able to do it.
And one of the things that helps with that downforce is obviously this huge wing.
Yeah.
This is fixed. This does not move, it's not aero, and that is to save on weight.
But what's cool is that when you take a look at the spoiler, it's not just the top, it's like the piece extends all the way to the bottom. It's like a rear diffuser spoiler. So you don't ever see that. And the rear diffuser is gigantuous.
There's this massive tunnel from the front to the back. Look at these wheels, these are 18-inch center lock. What I think is cool to show you is the wheel islands. So they're kind of really like separated from the actual body of the car. They go all the way out.
Yeah.
And they're covered from the top. So if you see the car from the top angle, it almost looks like it doesn't have wheels.
Yeah, exactly, like a little flying saucer. But then when you go under, you kind of see the skeleton of the car, and you get these huge arrows. I mean, you can literally see all the way to the back of the car. I mean, this is pretty crazy. The color is also really cool. It's called Volcano Orange, and everything here is carbon fiber. They just painted over on top of most of it, but the way the car looks, I mean, we're talking about all the details, but the way the car looks is also amazing.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Now, a big thank you to the owner of this car who has made this happen today. He or she has said, you can come out, I'll bring the car to this secret warehouse here, somewhere in LA.
Yeah, they even put it in a box and everything. I mean, it felt like a whole, like a Christmas gift.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah,
it was like an early Christmas.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, we don't get to keep this.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future sometime,
Yeah,
you and I can get something like this.